Hey guys. So, do this video for the McDonald's people, the McDonald's workers. Okay, let's see. All the fast food workers. I think they said it's about 14 million. 14 million fast food workers. And the fast food workers want a raise. So the fast food workers want I think a $7 raise. I think minimum wage is like $10 to $15. I'm not sure. You can look all this up. But it's your first time on my channel, make sure you like and subscribe, right? So the McDonald's and fast food workers. Here's the sad part, right? See, to be a McDonald's worker or a cashier, there's no real skills involved, right? Because it's a system that runs it, right? So remember, systems work, people do not, right? So it's a system. All you really got to do is just plug people into the system and the system works fine, right? So now with the robots coming, all McDonald's and the fast foods are going to do is now plug robots into the system. So you don't need someone saying, how may I help you? Can I take your order? Right? You don't need someone cooking your food, because remember, the food is artificial anyway. So you got robots cooking the food. So everything will literally be automated, and then you will have drones that come out. So now the restaurants, I was watching a YouTube video, and they were saying that the restaurants are not going to be, well, the fast food restaurants are not going to be a way to sit down in. You know, you go into McDonald's, you sit down, ain't going to be that no more. It's only going to be you ordering your food like a walk up, like a drive through, like a walk up. You order your food and the drone comes out and brings you your food. That's it. So I think it's like 11 million, maybe 10 to 14 million fast food workers. That's just in America. Here's the thing. If you guys keep fighting for a raise, you guys keep fighting for, health care, you're going to be canceled. See, right now, it's not really a big deal because it's working. But the more pressure that the workers put on the corporations, the more pressure that the people put on the corporations, guess what? The corporations are going to start to say, I don't want to pay these people $15 an hour. I don't want to pay these people sick time. We don't want to pay these people, health insurance. When we can get drones and robots, Lewis, you got to sit back. Drones and robots, and save over $3-4 billion. So for all the McDonald's workers, all the fast food, Burger King, White Castle, Wendy's, shit, even the waitresses at the restaurants, you guys start fighting for your job, for more money, then guess what? Your job is going to cancel you and put robots in your place for a fraction of the cost. And robots work 24/7, and the restaurants and the fast food joints will be open 24/7. Why? Because now you got automation. You don't need to close. What are you closing for? Right? You just have someone come in and clean up, and that's it. Right? They may have, robots to come in and clean up. So, guys, I'm telling you, the world is changing, right? These kids that are 6 and 7 years old, they're not going to know anything about jobs. Right? Because now they can learn how to create and innovate and literally go to the market with an idea and market themselves and make money, make billions of dollars. I'm telling you guys, the world is changing. College will no longer be needed. A doctor, go to college to be a doctor, that's going to be non-existent. Go to college to be a pharmacist, that's going to be non-existent. Go to college to be a cop, because they're going to even automate the jails with robots. Everybody job. They're even going to stop having cars. So ain't going to be no tickets, ain't going to be no traffic court. It's a lot of jobs, guys. 320 million jobs in the next 5 to 10 years are gone. What are you going to do? If you never get a skill, guys, that people that can't be replaced, you will be the next one replaced. And if you allow your job to feed your family, you also will give your job the power to starve your family. I'm not giving no job the power to starve my family, all right? So this is why I have multiple businesses, multiple streams. Even my business model is changing, but guess what? I'm always willing to invest in myself to stay on top of technology. Those that don't are the ones that get canceled. I'm willing to invest and go the extra mile and pay people to, you know, help me understand how to stay ahead. But most people, they don't want to pay nothing. They don't even want to pay $1,000. Most people don't even have $1,000 in their bank account. So you will be canceled. So all of you, you know, McDonald's workers and fast food joint and restaurant workers, you start fighting for more money, you will be canceled by a robot for the fraction of the cost. They can hire 2 robots to run 1 store. That's what the video said. It said they can hire 2 robots to run the whole entire fast food operation in 1 store. Meanwhile, how many workers or fast food workers are in the fast food, one single one? It could be anywhere from 10 to 15. Y'all 10 to 15 jobs is canceled by 2 robots or even 1. And now you got a drone. Drone comes bring out your food to you. Crazy. So if you guys never get a skill that a robot cannot replace, every one of you will be canceled. Okay? Even correction officers in the next 5 to 10 years, okay? They're hiring 2 for 1. So 1 correction officer making 150 grand, okay? They hiring 2 or 3 correction officers for 150 grand. Canceling. It's crazy. It's not funny, but this is the new age, the digital age, guys. Digital, even batteries. Nobody talk about this shit. See, I pay to learn this stuff. Batteries. You know, batteries that we have, those are done. Because now they got ways to save energy and you don't need batteries to do it. So the battery company, they're done. Duracell and Alkaline and all that other stuff, they're done. They don't need them no more. That's how many jobs are gone. Done. You know, it's just sad, guys. It's so sad. And guess what? So many people are going to fall right into poverty. So many people are going to fall right into welfare. So many people are going to fall right into death. The new age is thinkers, for thinkers and innovators, right? If you don't know how to think and create, then you won't have nothing. This is why you got to get new skills. You got to invest to get new skills so that you can earn new money and then learn how to grow your money, right? And also, what I also think is that network marketing companies is going to skyrocket because so many people are losing their jobs, and the only way now is what? Network marketing. Join a network marketing company to make money, but also network marketing allows people to build a skill set. Bless you. Allow you to build a skill set that no robot can take away from you, right? So for all you guys saying network marketing is a scam, everybody at the top make money, guess what? I'd rather be at the top making money than be the bottom 350 million who ain't got no jobs or living in the shelters. And here's the thing, in New York, they're building a lot of shelters. Why? Because they know, the government knows that all these jobs are going to be gone and these people are going to be losing their houses, losing their apartments, left and right, and they're going to need somewhere to go. So you don't have to listen to me. Keep listening to your job. Keep listening to CNN. Keep listening to Donald Trump. Keep listening to the people, the same people that you're allowing to feed your family. Is the same people that's going to starve your family. But you can continue to listen to them. Don't listen to me, though. But go to createmyownEconomy.com. 66% off now until 2019. And then my course is going back up to $1,500. Whether you pay $5, whether you pay $15, is still a steal to learn how to gain a new skill that a robot cannot take away, guys. So createmyownEconomy.com.